Unveiling the Mystery. Look it up. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the common English phrase, look it up. Whether you've heard it while chatting with friends, reading a book, or during your English lessons, understanding this phrase will surely boost your language skills. So, let's dive in and explore how to use look it up correctly in English. Look it up is a phrase that implies the action of searching for information. But what exactly does it entail, and when do we use it? When someone uses the phrase, look it up, they are suggesting that you find information by consulting a reliable source, such as a dictionary, a textbook, or an internet search. When to use it, you encounter a new word and don't know its meaning. You are curious about a topic or need more details about it. Someone asks a question, and neither of you knows the answer. How to use it? Use it as a friendly advice or a suggestion. It can also be a self-reminder to verify something you are unsure about. Now, let's put look it up into context with some examples. 1. When learning new vocabulary. 2. A. What does serendipity mean? 3. B. I'm not sure. Look it up in the dictionary. 4. During a debate or discussion. 5. A. How long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? 6. B. I remember learning this, but to be certain, let's look it up. 7. For self-study purposes. 8. I've heard the term blockchain a lot recently. I should look it up to understand what it is. Using look it up is also a way to encourage learning and ensuring the information shared is accurate. It's also useful to know how to use look it up in different tenses. Present simple, when I don't know a word, I look it up. Past simple, I didn't know her, so I looked her up online. Future simple, if we encounter any issues, we will look them up. Adjusting the phrase to fit different tenses helps maintain the correct tense consistency in conversations or writing. Sometimes, saying, look it up, might not fit the conversation's tone, or you might want to use different wording. Here are some alternatives. Research it. Find out more about it. Check it online. Go search for it. These phrases convey a similar message but give you a range of expressions to choose from. We hope this exploration of the phrase, look it up, has been enlightening and added a new layer to your English language understanding. Now, not only can you use it correctly, but you can also teach others about it. Thank you for watching, and remember, if there's anything you're unsure about, always take the time to look it up. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.